morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this. Welcome back to Bruce's channel. Today we talk about the 3D mics, and this is 3D mouse and core from 3D connection. Is this I brought this second hand. The new one should be around 700 plus, and the second hand one is around 200 to 300, depending on people who's selling. But very hard to find the second hand in the market because no one will always need this kind of stuff because it's very niche. Who people will need it will always need it. Well, the reason I make this video is not because I want to review or talk about this, because I'm facing a problem on here on this mic, on this 3D mouse. So basically what this does is just moving around the 3D view, so you can get a very smooth transaction. If you want to do some cool videos and talking about that, I'm gonna zoom out. You got a lot of printers, cool, right? Well, basically you can do any control with just using this one. You can actually look at this, how I control this. Just move around, zoom out, then 6 axis. I don't know if 6 axis or not, but basically what you can do is there's a flexibility just using one. Normally I put on my left hand, so another hand. It cannot replace the mouse. I just use it to video shooting for a more professional so-called presentation purpose. Okay, and the problem I'm facing is when I first attach this one to my computer, it feel laggy. It like move, then lag a bit, not moving at all, then continue move, and then lag a bit, not moving at all. So if you're facing this kind of problem, I thought I already fixed it, because I just what I can do is I replace the USB to another port. But because the reason that when I use it, it's very laggy is because I connect it to my bypass USB, where it's on my keyboard. I bypass the link connect to here is extension, so the extension should be not power enough to do all this smooth transition connection, or I don't know what they call. But basically what you can do is just you try to relocate the USB port location. So yeah, I think you can fix it just by that way. Back to this, then you can get a very smooth transaction. Let's try to do this again. Let's try to fly over there. Can I fly over there? I still need some practice to use it. Ooh, baby. Well, you need some really practice to use how to use it and how to move the camera around. But if you ask me, if you are 3D Fusion 360 user, you ask me you need it or not. Actually, no, you can use the mouse. And I got if I use mouse, I will be more fast and doing all these things. But if you want a very smooth transaction without this kind of tech, then 3D mouse may be a good ideas. But yeah, I'm lucky because I got another piece as a second hand, so I saved a lot of money, like 500 ringgit. Well, yeah, today we use just until here. I hope this fixes your problem if you own the 3D connection and it feel like it's on the movement. Yeah, recap, just try to relocate the USB, or maybe just stick to your computer directly, or use another port, USB 3.0 port. Normally if you use a hub because not enough power, you will facing the kind of problem. And the reason I found that my keyboard not working on that time because I'm using a RGB, and it take way a lot of power on the keyboard. So after I shut down the RGB on my keyboard, that USB port also functional. That's it. It's a small problem that no one's talking in the internet. Okay, today video finish here, and thank you for watching. If you think this is helping you, let me know. Give me a thumb up. Then yeah, I only make videos when I face problems. And I fix it. If I don't, I'm not sure what to make that not wasting your time. Try to save your time, bro. Thanks, bye. Yup.